One of the unique features of the 2026 Genesis GV60 is the vehicle-to-load, or V2L, system. V2L allows the Genesis GV60 to function as a battery, providing AC power to devices plugged into the vehicle. To utilize V2L, only use the exterior V2L connector included with your vehicle. Ensure that your V2L uses the NACS-type charging port that matches your vehicle. The use of any charging port adapters is not recommended for use with the V2L system. To start, ensure the vehicle is off and is in park with the parking brake applied. Also, ensure the doors are unlocked, and then press the lined marks on the charging door to open. Open the cover on the V2L connector. Secondly, plug in the AC device into the connector's outlet and replace the cover to seal out debris. Finally, push the connector handle securely in. To turn on V2L, press the rear button. Once turned on, the V2L system will provide electrical power to your outdoor devices. Press the rear button to turn off the V2L system. Press the unlock button on the smart key, and the V2L connector will be unlocked from the car and ready to remove. To ensure that you have enough driving range for your intended travel, the Genesis GV60 allows you to set a battery discharge limit for the V2L system. Press Home, select EV, and then EV Charge Transfer. To conserve energy for a trip, one can set the battery discharge limit, which can be reached before the GV60 automatically cuts off the supply of electricity. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.